Welcome to Glowbom. In this video, we will be creating a startup idea generator. Choose chatbot and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter your text and add answer options. To add a voice or change the color of the application, go to the settings. Also, you can give a name to your bot. Hello.
Hi, if you want to start a business, I can help you. Choose a category: art, food, health, nature, productivity, relationship, entertainment.
Art.
A social network for cinephiles, readers, artists, and musicians.
Nature.
A virtual reality app that takes users on virtual journeys through forests, seas, and mountains around the world.
Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting. You can use any hosting you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright, there we have it. Now let's open the link and test our chatbot. Hello.
Heyo, if you are looking for an idea for a startup, you have come to the right place. Just choose one of the categories: art, food, health, nature, productivity, relationship, entertainment.
Art.
A tool that can recognize art through a camera.
Nature.
An app that helps people learn about ways to protect the environment and offers recommendations on how to preserve nature.
I don't know about this one. Give me another idea.
An app that allows users to play musical instruments from all over the world and even create their own group.
Health.
A yoga and meditation application that helps users relax and de-stress.
Relationship.
A personal assistant that, based on knowledge of psychology and based on a user's questionnaire, helps in solving problems in relationships, and suggests how to act in a given situation.
Do you have another idea?
A cooking assistant bot that shares cooking ideas and tips.
Art.
A mood-based movie, book, and music recommendation application.
Productivity.
A bot that suggests different ways to solve a particular task and helps optimize it.
How about another idea?
A mobile application that tracks the relationship and emotional physical state of couples.
One more please.
A glider with a virtual personal assistant that helps users remember important tasks, gives tips on productivity and boosts morale throughout the day.
I like this one. Thanks.
You're welcome. Don't waste your time. Start now. Good luck.
The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share and add the home screen. Here you can change the app name. Great, now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app. Hello.
Hello. If you need an idea for a startup, I will help you. Just choose one of the categories: art, food, health, nature, productivity, relationship, entertainment.
Art.
A social network for cinephiles, readers, artists, and musicians.
Health.
A psychologist bot that can provide support, encouragement, calmness, and inspiration.
Entertainment.
A website that generates ideas for hobbies for people based on their taste and budget.
Nature.
A virtual reality app that takes users on virtual journeys through forests, seas, and mountains around the world.
Relationship.
A bot that can provide you with an unlimited support system.
Art.
A movie-making app that gives users different templates to choose from and offers tips on how to stage scenes.
I like this one. Thanks.
You're welcome. I wish you the best of luck in your endeavors.
Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.